Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use Python to generate QR codes in just a few minutes. Within your IDE of choice, go to a terminal. We're going to use pip to install the library of qrcode. Shut up. You can install additional dependencies, meaning extras, if you add a set of square brackets after the library name. We're going to install the pillow dependency, PIL. It's going to provide additional functionality. Then we hit enter. Then we just have to wait for the package to install. And we're done. At the top of our IDE, we will import the library of qrcode. There's two pieces of information we'll need. One is a URL. We'll accept some user input. We'll call the input function. We'll need a prompt. Enter the URL, :space. And then just as a best practice, I'm going to method chain the strip function to strip any unnecessary white space. All right, a user should be able to enter in a URL. For this demonstration, I'll use my YouTube channel. I'll copy and paste the URL. But we're not doing anything with it quite yet. We'll also need a file path. Where do we want to save our file to? File path equals a string. You'll need a file name at least. For example, I'll name this file qrcode, and then pick a file type. I'll set my QR code to be a PNG. The QR code is going to appear in your project folder. If I would like it someplace else, I would have to use an absolute file path. For convenience, I'll save it to my desktop. I just need the file path. I can click on one of these folders, go to Properties, then copy this location. So I will paste that absolute file path, use double backslashes. When we save our image, it's going to be at this location with this name and file extension. All right, we have a URL and a file path. Now we're going to generate a QR code Python object. I'll name this object QR. QR equals access the library of qrcode, call the qrcode constructor. We need to add our data, our URL, to this QR code object. Access QR, call the add data method, then pass in our URL. To generate the QR code image, we will assign an image object, which I will name img, equal to access the QR code object, call the makeImage method. This will generate the actual QR code image. But then we have to save it. We'll access our image object, call its save method, then pass in that file path. This next part isn't necessary, but I like to print a confirmation message. We'll say QR code was generated. And if I were to run this, I need to enter the URL. I will pick my YouTube channel again, but feel free to pick a URL of your choosing. Hit enter. QR code was generated. And at this file location, I should have an image with this name, with this file extension. And here it is. So if you were to use your phone to scan this QR code, it should take you to my YouTube channel. And if you were to scan this one, it's going to take you to a mystery YouTube video. And well everybody, that is how to generate QR codes with Python in just a few minutes.